You may have planted your seeds, covered it over with soil, put that peat moss over it, put some more topsoil and some mulch, and you started to see it blossom and grow. And just when it started to bud, somebody uprooted it. Sit. Caleb, why did you dig out the plant? But today, I declare to you that God is able to restore. He tells us in Joel chapter 2, verse 25, that I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten, the cankerworm and the caterpillar and the palmer worm, my great army which I sent among you. My friends, God will restore you, just like he restored my plant.